Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings in your Sony Xperia Pro I. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button here, press to pencil on the left corner and scroll down, find this button here in this block, then press and hold and drag to top to add, like this button. So press back for save, and now when we add this button here, press, and before we start our recording, we got record audio option, so we can turn on or turn off this option and customize, for example, only device audio or device audio and microphone. Press and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.